Hello everybody, welcome to today's video.
Today we're playing two-player cat OB.
Tycoon, you mean
Tycoon,
tycoon?
I mean, not OB. And as you can see, I of course started.
Yeah. We cats. Look at us, guys. Oh my gosh, you have a kitten. Was it the same size as you? Oh my gosh, look at the way we move. Oh my gosh, that is just the cutest thing.
Look at the way we stand.
I just can't. It's that cute. Woohoo! Mine nearly. I just knocked the pillow off the couch. Okay, I'm just gonna continue. Why are you not talking, Safi?
I'm a white cat now.
Oh,
Look how she's sitting. She actually sat.
that's cute though. Now I can't. Now this thing's in front of my wait, guys. Guys, I got a caramel cat. Where's it running? It's supposed to be caramel. It looks
Come look at mine.
brown
Look at the
though.
white one as well.
Look at him. Give me my money. Stop running away. Give me my money. Yay. You stupid cat. Give my money. There we go. Thank you. Oh my god.
What did you just buy
Okay, I'll just let him walk around and stack up in cash. Why in my bum? Like, girl.
By the way, here's something.
Stop being realistic, cat.
Here's something you can do here.
What?
100 rand.
It's the walls.
And no, we are not farting, we are eating bubble gum. Well, at least I am. I don't know about
Wait
you.
for this cat to just like stock up in cash.
Mine got 600 burning.
This cat is almost down.
Yeah, she said. Yeah,
Thank you.
Mine actually
Thank
sits when
you.
I want them to
Thank
sit.
you for your cash.
You're a naughty children. Look at this stuff I have. Thank you, darling. Thank you, darling. Oh, we have a visitor. Hi.
Oh, you've got a blue. What is this? Purple. Oh my god, they are so cute. Hi, green cat. Why are you so
Hi, yellow cat.
cute? Cute. No, we get that.
Oh, there's two. I think they're trying to feed us.
I need to get 200 to get this cat now. My cat.
You must have got out 1,000.
Oh, the windows are cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
Biosecurity gates are stuck in here. And then I have to die so that they
Okay. I'll do that now. Let me take my money from my cash quick. Give my cash, guys. Give it. Okay.
Remember, I asked them what's up. They didn't answer me. No, I'm not answering.
There we go. Where's the paintings though? Oh, on the wall. Cute though.
I actually didn't notice.
I just bought paintings. I want to know. There we go. I got two security doors now. I got both mine up.
Oh, yeah, I need to remember. And I got my conveyor belt so my pets don't go die. So I guess you like my sister.
Huh?
So I guess you like my sister.
I am your sister.
No, in the stand.
The lights are just floating because I have no roof.
So am I. I only noticed that now. Girl, stop telling me stuff like that. I'm my second floor.
I don't yet. I've got my roof. No, I put my second floor up. I got my first floor
The
roof.
fridge starts to open its money.
Wait, I need to finish off here. Give me cash, guys. Give me my cash. Thank you.
I'm done with my first floor.
I'm not yet. Fortunately. Here we go. Where'd you put the statue?
By the door. I have all my yarn.
You actually get money from that? Wow.
Hi.
My cats can't go on your side, and your cats can't come on my side. Give me my money, thank you. Give me my money, thank you.
Can I take the money?
Yeah, it's difficult. I don't have the fish thing yet.
I do.
The statue. Maybe I need to finish my thingy.
I have a black cat.
You have a black cat?
Come look at her.
Oh, coming now.
The upstairs, by the way.
Making yawn. Look at your black cat. She's so cute. You need a green cat. Wow, what's up the random color? Oh, she just lucky it's green. Favorite color? Hope you're getting a purple cat then. Stop being so negative.
See how much money this thing could have put? 800 rand.
There we go. Now we just need the milk sea fish dropper. Oh my gosh, I need that one.
Tomorrow?
Yeah?
I think my yarn.
It shouldn't be there.
I kept it and my cat left it open. You're not supposed to eat that. Black cat, thank you.
I need 200 rand and then I can finish downstairs, I think.
I'm just jumping through instead of going upstairs. Down the stairs.
Oh, I need to get now the brown upgrader.
The brown upgrader. I have all my.
And then I can get my fish statue. Say it again?
I got the green cat.
You got a green cat? Let me see. Where is he? Oh, he's such a pretty green though. I can't collect
Why are we
money.
such an ugly green?
No, we're not. We're actually so cute. Look
You're
at
too
us.
bright.
But that's such a nice shade of green though.
Look at my conveyor belt setup. It looks actually so pretty.
I'm done with my conveyor belt. I see my fish statue before I'm gonna go upstairs. I need 2,500 to get my statue.
I need that conveyor belt on those. These things will keep on falling off. Now they won't.
Oh, 100 and then yeah. Here you go.
Do you use black cat? Keep on collecting
Fish
like 1,000.
statue. Oh, cute. Time to go upstairs, everybody. Your wool is lying. Your ball of wool is lying here and not
No, I
in.
don't understand why I bought them all. Okay. Jeez.
It's expensive
Green
conveyor
cat come
belt.
give me 1,200 rand.
Yo, nice. I got a black cat. He's so cute. So cute, so cute. I got a green cat. Look how cute he is.
Where's that green cat?
Ah. I was putting off my green cat so I could get my other stuff.
It's the first cat I got there.
But I accidentally walked over him now, so I had to buy.
I did that before. So my black cat was sitting on a thingy and I didn't see, so I walked over him. I took his money and then I see what did I go buy. So cat made me buy something I didn't. That would make me.
A ninja star and a maid kit. That's what I'm getting at the moment.
Maybe.
We should be getting two different things. Wow. A yarn statue. I need the yarn statue. I'm such a crocheter. I need the yarn statue. Not the fish statue, the yarn statue.
This is actually such a smart idea for like a
It's a cute idea.
such a smart. Yeah, my dear saying.
Smarter, baby, smarter.
So I'm gonna get the ninja so we all have the same thing. And including the other people. They came here trying to kill us with ninja stars.
You sure this ninja stars them?
I look exactly like that.
Oh. You jumping on a yarn ball? I want to get there.
Just balance on they don't fall.
Meow, meow.
It's meow 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 meow.
Hi. Cute.
Let's go look at us.
Wow, really had to say that. You're gonna die.
No. Look at this this one. It's pink.
Can I jump with the lights? Oh, I can jump on the light. Oh, no, I fell. Never mind.
Okay, don't touch the laser. Maybe I can turn the laser off.
It's not our house. Obviously, can't turn the laser off.
Okay, next house.
I'm going to the greenhouses.
Ooh. I think we can get in there.
Yeah, we can't. We'll go back to my house. Bye bye. Look at the statue. The statue's cool.
I can run. Okay, I'll come back. Okay. Wow, I got the yarn statue.
Mm?
It actually looks so ugly. No, really. Come look at it. Gee. What? You can afford yours as well.
What is that?
I'm sorry.
It gives you money though.
Yeah, at least it collects enough money for this life.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get mine for you. But what is that though? It's like someone's poo. Sorry guys. But I have to.
That's enough information.
I'm just too honest. Kitty cat, give me my money. Stop running away.
I don't know how to use this.
My white cat was trying to get upstairs.
Yes, they don't know how to use the stairs.
I was about to say that. It's not that difficult.
Exactly.
A green cat, you don't belong here though.
Like where? I restarted my
Third floor.
I just did a bunch of different floors.
Yeah.
Well, the one that the stairs leads to.
You get money from the yarn bowl, but what is that? Like,
I have no idea.
I just have one more thing on the second floor, and then I can.
No, you don't. How much money do you have?
7,000.
You need 50.
I know.
They'll collect the money at the bottom. You can use that.
Roughly just need to double my money,
Yeah,
and then
that's enough for you to get.
I need 7,000. 13,000. 14,000. Come on.
Your cat upstairs.
If I get the green cat, I can do it. There you go. This is my green cat.
And then you can give them a tour.
Okay, I'll give you a little mini tour of the place. Here we have
Act
my
like you're a
side.
visitor. Act like you're a visitor.
We have here our fish statue, my fish statue, my conveyor belt. We just collect my cat's money.
Well, to be honest, you don't have to show my side since it's the exact same.
It's just murdered.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go upstairs. As you can see, I'll just show you. Sophie's is the same, except for the statue. Her statue looks like this. Yeah.
Why,
My
does
statue.
yours look different? Wait, what?
We go here.
No.
We have the same statue. We have our same weapons, and then we have our conveyor belt with all the different fancy
Where are you?
colors. Second floor. Then we go upstairs to the third floor where I still have to do a lot of work.
But I still don't.
I've got a blue cat and I got a pink cat.
What did she say on my top?
I have finished the second floor. Let me guys show you quickly.
Second floor. Isn't this the third floor?
No, I finished the second floor. I'm
Are
sorry.
you going to show them what you did?
Sorry. I'm sure I did. Maybe I just extra showing you guys because it's so cute. So now I'm busy with the third floor. Let me show you what I've done so far. Salvi's put on a roof, but she hasn't done much of the inside yet. I got a pink cat. It's the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. I love this dark blue cat. So, yeah.
I am gonna get
My black cat's downstairs now.
my cats are still the same.
Oh. I don't know why you thought it'd be appropriate to come downstairs. If you're happy downstairs, go ahead. But like seriously guys, you guys don't belong downstairs.
Mouth, girl, you're so cringe.
Meow 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 shakes. My green cat's back upstairs. My green cat's back upstairs, guys. Apparently they can use stairs.
Yes, it go back to the cotton. It's cotton.
Hmm?
Check. I see what I said.
With a golden fish statue.
Let's see that.
Come here, pink cat.
Yeah, my cat just gave me 14,000 rand. And one gave me 19,000.
Okay. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We have finally finished our gorgeous mansion.
Oh, I left. Watch my house disappear.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please
And
like,
subscribe, comment my gaming shit. Oh, wait. Start that again.
like,
Subscribe.
comment,
Comment
give
my
explain
gaming
next.
shit next. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.